guys! Welcome again to my travel diary. My name is Zell, and in this video, I am sharing with you our quick vacation in Okinawa. This is my third time visiting Okinawa, so we decided to explore the main island. 2 years ago, we visited the Ishigaki and Miyako Islands of Okinawa, which are located closer to Taiwan than to Tokyo. It takes 2 hours and 30 minutes to get from Haneda Airport to Naha Airport by plane. Our accommodation was in a comfortable Solvita Hotel in Naha, which is close to the airport. By bus, it took us less than 30 minutes to get to our hotel. We went to this izakaya after check-in. It is called Haisai, which translates as hello in English from the Okinawan dialect. Also, the word kari, which means cheers in English, is used in Okinawa instead of kampai. It's our first full day here in Naha, and we are going to rent a motorbike today. So we're going to take the monorail to get to the bike rental shop. From the motorbike rental shop, it took us more than an hour to go to Oodomari Beach on Ike Island. The beach was clean and not crowded. Although the beach has a shower room, it prohibits the use of body wash and shampoo. On our way back to Naha, we discovered this place, so we decided to stop by. This cafe also sells a wide range of shellworks created by the owner himself. If you have a chance, please visit this shop, which is perfect for buying souvenirs. The next day, we gave scuba diving a try, and it was the first time for us. I won't likely do it again because, let's face it, I was afraid. But in the end, I can claim that I tried but gave up since it was a beautiful experience. Since we finished the scuba diving early, we decided to explore the nearby tourist spots, which include Cape Manzamo. Cape Manzamo, also known as Cape Manza, is a remarkable rock formation in Okinawa Island. Cape Manzamo has a wonderful view of the East China Sea. The rock structure is also captivating because it resembles, in some ways, an elephant with its trunk in the ocean. Next, we visited Cape Maeda. I had read that Cape Maeda is the ideal spot for snorkeling and scuba diving, but after our scuba diving adventure, we were not in the mood for snorkeling, so we just checked it out and went immediately away. Experience the rich cultural heritage of ancient Okinawa. The entrance fee here is 2,000 yen if you are over 16 years old. It's like Taketomi Island here. It's nice. Also, this one here. It's really like Taketomi. Ryukyumura is a cultural theme park that provides an authentic experience of the traditional way of living in Okinawa.
Number 2.
You can learn how to play the traditional Okinawa instrument known as sanshin. Sanshin is regarded as the heart of Okinawan folk music. In general, sanshin are intended to last for more than a lifetime as they are frequently passed down through one's family. There's a shop here inside the village that sells snacks and sugarcane products and ice cream and also beer. houses in the park have a history of more than 2 centuries, and in May 2007, 7 structures in the park were officially recognized and as registered as National Tangible Cultural Properties. There are many shops here where you can make different kinds of crafts. So like this one. Like if you want to make a photo frame, it takes 30 minutes and then it's 2,200 yen. Like this. You can also make coral lamps like this. And also dress up like this. Kimono. Yeah, if you have a chance, please come here. It's nice. We are now in Yomitan Pottery Village. Like that. There are a lot of shops here. This pottery village is also worth visiting as it is located less than a 10-minute drive from Yukimura. This is one of the locations in Okinawa where you can buy genuine souvenirs.
All the shops are closed now.
Yeah. Oh, this one is still open. Here's how we spent our final full day in Okinawa. First, we returned to Maeda for some snorkeling. This is not your ordinary beach. You will need to wear marine shoes due to the large number of sea urchins. We had to show the staff our marine shoes as a proof that we didn't need them to rent. We also discovered that this is the best site for first-time scuba divers like ourselves. When we return to main island Okinawa, we will surely try scuba diving here. Before heading to our final destination of the day, we had to visit another pottery village named Tsuboya Yachimun Street in Naha. The limestone paved road that goes through the small district is the first sign that you are in Tsuboya Yachimun Street. It's only a short walk from the busy Kokusai Street. Unfortunately, similar to Yomitan Pottery Village, the majority of the shops close at 6 p.m., limiting our choices. If you plan to visit, please arrive early. On the evening of October 31, 2019, fire ripped through Shuri Castle, destroying its primary structures. The current plan calls for rebuilding the castle's main hall by the fall of 2026. Until then, tourists are encouraged to visit the castle and observe reconstruction works. I think we saw this on TV. They're still renovating the castle. So this is how they do it. We actually saw on TV before about this, they're renovating the castle. So we thought it's already done, but it's not yet done. While exploring Shuri Castle, I became fascinated by its resemblance to the walled city in Manila, where my university is located. After a day of exploring, we ended our day with Okinawan cuisine, drinks, and excellent Okinawan songs. This izakaya is one of the best that we've been to. For first-time visitors to Okinawa, one of the best pieces of advice I can give is to make sure you don't miss going to an izakaya with live music.